Welcome to our Beginner's Guide to AI series. Today, we're exploring a fundamental concept, knowledge acquisition in artificial intelligence. Understanding how AI systems learn and acquire knowledge is crucial for anyone interested in the field. Voiceover with supporting graphics. Knowledge acquisition refers to the process through which AI systems gather, interpret, and store information. This process enables machines to simulate human understanding and decision-making. On-screen diagram illustrating stages. The process typically involves several stages. 1. Identification, recognizing the problem or domain. 2. Conceptualization, defining key concepts and relationships. 3. Formalization, structuring the knowledge in a usable format. 4. Implementation, integrating the knowledge into AI systems. 5. Testing, validating the knowledge for accuracy and relevance. Examples and animations. AI systems use various techniques to represent knowledge, such as semantic networks, frames, ontologies, production rules. These methods help in organizing information in a way that machines can process effectively. Case studies and real-world examples. Knowledge acquisition is vital in numerous applications: healthcare, for diagnostic systems; finance, in fraud detection; customer service, through intelligent chatbots; manufacturing, for predictive maintenance. Discussion with expert interviews. Despite advancements, challenges remain: data quality and availability, bias in knowledge representation, ethical concerns regarding decision-making. Addressing these issues is essential for responsible AI development. Insights and predictions. Looking ahead, we anticipate enhanced machine learning algorithms, integration of multimodal data, improved human-AI collaboration. These trends will shape the future of knowledge acquisition in AI. Understanding knowledge acquisition is key to unlocking AI's potential. Stay tuned for more insights in our Beginner's Guide to AI series.